Got a sweater with a hole in it? Don't throw it out just yet. Before you toss it, take the good part of the fabric and cut it out, just like this. We're gonna turn it into a simple, stylish neck warmer that looks great on anyone. First, cut a rectangle that's about 8.7 inches wide and 21.3 inches long. Fold it in half and stitch down the two open sides. I'm using a curved hand stitch here, and the trick is to keep your stitches really small and close together. The smaller and tighter the stitches, the cleaner the finish. Once both sides are stitched, tie a secure knot at the end, flip the whole piece inside out, then take one end and fold it over to meet the other, just like what you see on screen. Next, we're going to clean up the edges. For the edge finish, keep your spacing even. Needle out, pull the thread in, needle out, pull the thread in. This is basically a single thread overlock style hand stitch. When you're done, tie another knot on the inside and trim the excess thread. Now flip it right side out again. And there it is. Your new neck warmer is done. Add a couple of buttons for decoration if you want to give it a little personality. Try it on and check the look. It keeps your neck covered, keeps your collars clean, and honestly, it turns an old sweater into something super cute and useful. A simple upcycle that totally works.